So I'm going to talk about my Belltech kit, 1050 SP for a 21 through current f150. Don't buy it. The ride is terrible. The stance is good, but looks over functionality is two different things, and I'm disappointed in this kit. It sucks. It has nothing to do with the drop itself. It's the Belltech struts that are junk. Actually, the valving of those struts it's bad. It's terrible. So I ended up lowering this truck from the front first before I did the flip kit in the back with this kit. And what ended up happening was, as soon as I did the front, I obviously rolled my truck out of the driveway and then reversed it in, and it immediately felt stiffer, was bouncy. And this is before I did the back. The back's actually not that bad at all. To alleviate this situation, all you do is get better rear shocks, but these shocks, they're okay. The front is just terrible. Don't buy the complete kit. I'm actually gonna do the spindles to leave the geometry the same. I haven't got it aligned because I kind of had a feeling this was going to be really bad, but you know, what do you expect, right? I mean, you get what you pay for. I actually got in a truck with the Tech kit, and fuck, what a big difference. The guy even said on the crappy settings, without his helper bags inflated, it rode like stock, smooth. So I can only imagine if he adjusted the shocks, how much better it would ride. This thing just, it looks good, but it rides like shit. So for all you guys trying to buy a Belltech kit, or people trying to sell you a kit like, oh, you know, these guys that get them sponsored for free, don't buy into that bullshit, because these kits ride like shit. And I also have a vibration in the back between 25 to 30, and that comes and goes. And then after that, once I hit about 45 to 52 miles an hour, I get another vibration due to pinion angle. So if you're trying to get this kit, don't do it. I'm already in it kind of too far. I really feel like putting it back to stock, but I'm just gonna buy the spindles, go from there. If the spindles don't, do the trick, I mean, I'm just gonna put this truck back to stock and fuck it. I mean, I'll deal with the lifted truck look, because I'm not gonna go for looks over comfort, that's for sure. So just honest review about this kit. So if you're considering it, don't do it. I would say, buy a Tech kit. I mean, that's my honest opinion, and now I know why people say that.